if we're looking at what we've got here, I can just come up and go ahead and say, you know what, I'm just going to make that in pink so I don't pay attention to this right now. I need to focus on the one sentence that has the blank in it. So if we do that, I'm going to highlight just the words around the blank. And I'm going to go ahead and go back to my yellow, and I'm going to, whoops, come here, and I'm going to click this little button that's going to allow me to create a vertical line test. So we know that the word that's going to be before most of the options for punctuation is effect. And then after that, we get a though. And then we also have a third part that's going to be obstructing. And the way that the vertical line test is going to work, we're going to consider whether the information before effect, well, we'll say through effect, is going to be a complete or incomplete idea, and if everything after obstructing is a complete idea as well. Because that's going to dictate what type of punctuation you should use. So if I just read, jetties can sometimes have the opposite effect. Well, that's a complete idea, could stand alone as its own independent sentence or clause because we've got a subject and a verb. So I'm going to just write complete here for my reference. Then we've got obstructing the natural flow of sand along the shore can lead to increased erosion in some areas. Well, that too is a complete idea. We've got obstructing the natural flow of sand, even though obstructing kind of looks like a verb, that's functioning as what is known as a gerund, and that is the action as a noun. So obstructing can lead has another subject-verb pair, which tells me we need to have a semicolon between these two complete ideas. So that allows us to eliminate answer choices B and D because you can't have a comma between two complete ideas. Now we just have to think about where the though comes from. Should the though be contrasting the obstructing against the sentence, the beginning part of this sentence, or should the though be constructing the first part of this sentence against that previous pink sentence? And we should know that this jetties can sometimes have the opposite effect. That is describing what's going to happen with the natural flow. The opposition is going up against that pink highlight. So we need the though before the semicolon. It's a little bit tricky, but that's how you can work through number 20 and other punctuation questions like it using our vertical line test. So